Mrs. Smith.
Oh, hi, Miss Laspisa. How are you?
I'm good. I miss you.
I miss you too. And I miss our students.
Me too. It's not the same without them.
And I'm really worried.
Why are you so Why are you so worried? What's going on?
Well, we're supposed to go on a trip with our students.
Oh my gosh, our class trip. I completely forgot.
Can you believe it? It's only in a week.
Oh my gosh. What are we going to do?
I don't know. What can we do?
We we can go on a virtual field trip.
Yes, I think that's a great idea. But how can we do that?
By going to our Google Classroom and clicking the link.
The link?
The link.
Where should we go?
Well, we can go to the Smithsonian
National Museum of Natural History.
Sounds great, but where is that, Mrs. Smith?
That's in Washington, D.C.
Oh, perfect. Sounds like a plan. So, boys and girls, we can go here, and through your Google Classroom, you boys and girls can navigate the museum by clicking on this map here.
But how will they know what to do when they get there?
Ooh.
A
Scavenger hunt! Let's do a scavenger hunt, Mrs. Smith.
Yes!
Sounds great.
Excellent. So the scavenger hunt will have some clues, and they'll have some space to put their answers for those clues.
Perfect. And the clues will be fun, and they'll be educational too, because you boys and girls will look for items that we've learned, but also fun things too.
Oh, that's a great idea. I can't wait to see everybody at the field trip.
Me too. I am so excited.
How are we going to see anybody?
Ooh, what if we Zoom? We can Zoom with everyone.
I think we could do a little bit of Zoom, and we can have students do a scavenger hunt, and we can check in with each other.
Sounds like a plan. I'm so excited, Mrs. Smith.
So, when is this going to happen?
Thursday, April 9th.
That's right. Thursday, April 9th, right before we go on spring break. What a great way to end the week.
It is. I'm so excited.
All right. Well, I'll see you there.
Bye, Mrs. Smith. I'll talk to you soon.
Bye, boys and girls.
Bye.